Okay guys, hope everybody's doing alright. I got my jury rig set up over here to compress the spring on the low reverse. I got my rubber washers in place to keep it from slipping. I got rubber cork pads, and of course my light's not working right now. Probably left it on, so sorry about the lighting, but I'm going to zoom in on you, this old camera, and see if we can take a better look. But that's what she looks like, compressing the spring. And I'm going to see if I can compress that spring far enough down. You probably won't see nothing but me in the way, so maybe not. I'll just turn it from the back side. Got a ratchet wrench. I'm going to be turning the back of this threaded bolt. I want to kind of keep that all thread straight in the middle. You do not want it off-centered if you can. And I want to get the spring pressed down below the low reversed shaft with the bushing in it. In my other video, it's 9/16 below. So I'm looking in here, holding that in the center of the spring so I get even tension on both sides. I got my rubber washers in there. I've been having a problem with stuff wanting to slide off of the spring. Right now it's starting to slide, and I have a feeling, see, it's sliding right now. Yeah, it's sliding off, so that ain't working. I have a feeling it's the way I got that thing angled, and I'm going to have to make a different center push thing out of wood, maybe. I don't know. I've tried this like 5 times, 6 times, and it just wants to slide. I tried the rubbers, nothing's working. Alright, we'll be back when we get this thing fixed.